Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install the ViewStats desktop application in just a few seconds. So in case you don't know, ViewStats is the new tool by MrBeast to track YouTube channels, take inspirations for videos, view detailed analytics of any video or YouTube channel, and this tool is perfect if you are trying to grow your channel. So let's see how to install the application. So the first thing we're gonna do is open our browser and go to viewstats.com. Then once you are here, what you need to do is click the three dots right here at the top right, and then go to Save and Share, and you will see this option to install the page as an application. So just click here, and you can change the name of the application if you want. In my case, I will leave it as ViewStats, so I'm gonna install it. And now we could pin this application to the taskbar if we want, and we have the ViewStats application right here. Now I can close it, and we can see ViewStats at our desktop and the taskbar too. So we can pin it right here, and this is how you can access ViewStats way easier. You can just double click it and you will get redirected to the ViewStats website basically. So now you could use it normally and track any YouTube channel you want. You can see there is a lot of information about any YouTube channel. This is the most complete tool for tracking YouTube and upgrading your channel. So I will highly recommend you to use it if you are trying to grow your YouTube channel. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.